All right, guys, I have this 2010 Camry here. This is a body style 2007 to 2011. And you can see we've got a license plate light out now. To get to those plate bulbs, we need to open the trunk and remove this inner fabric, and that's going to give us access to those light bulb sockets. So fairly simple job. All you're going to need is either a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool or something to get underneath of these clips. I believe these are the factory style clips. The center just pops out of them like so, and then we can remove it. So they're just a push pin style, and then for installation you just put that into the hole and push it in like that. So go ahead and remove all of the clips. There's a whole bunch of them around here, and then once you do that, we will get to that socket. All right, so we have a total of 13, I believe, 13 or 14 clips, and then your car may have the emergency release handle that pops through here. It'll just be a glow-in-the-dark handle. You just feed it through that hole, remove this cover. You can see now we have access to these two sockets. Those are our license plate lights. Now, there's just a little tab that you push up on, and that will remove the connector. You don't have to remove this to change the light bulb. You can just leave it plugged in, and we can just turn this. Looks like we're going to be going towards ourselves, sort of, or turn the socket to the left. And then we can just pull our bulb out and change those. This does have a burned out filament inside the bulb. So we go ahead and change that, real simple. Also have some new sockets here in case they're corroded. A lot of times I know, like on the trucks, for some reason moisture gets inside there and it actually corrodes the terminals that are inside of here. So just check that yours are clean. You could put some dielectric grease on there. That would save them for the future. I'm just going to kidnap the light bulb out of this. Install it in there, and before I install everything, I'm just going to turn the lights on, make sure everything works. Okay, looks like that's a bad bulb too. Nice, perfect. I love when customers supply parts and they're just bad parts. Let's try another light bulb. We got one more. Is this one any good? It looks like it's good. Appears to be good. Stick it in there. Voila, look at that. Now, there are tabs on the sides of the socket, so it's clocked in a certain position. If you remember, we were about something like this. Make sure that it goes in the hole properly, like that, and lock it into place. So, just like that, we've changed our light bulb or light bulb socket, whatever you need, and you just go ahead, reinstall the fabric, put all your push clips in, and you're away to the races.